Alright, y'all. I'm in the pool right now and I'm by myself. Everybody wanna pee in the pool. And Reagan, please stop! Reagan, stop! Reagan, for real! Stop, Reagan, please stop!
Yeah, we back again. You know summer just begun. Hey, vlog.
We got Jamiya on Ox and she eating that ass up. Yeah.
So let's take those first.
Right. Girl, I don't know how you swallow all that.
What? It's giving wet and sexy. Y'all check these out.
They're gonna get in trouble, bro. She's tripping, bro. We're going to a pool party today, or tonight. It's gonna be dark by the time we get there because we're going at like 8:30 tonight. So if y'all know Tiara's friend Amina, she's moving out of state to a different state for a job. So this is like a going away party for her. We're gonna be drinking and get lit. You already know how I get off the alcohol, so we're gonna see what happens. But I got this pink swimsuit with this fake tattoo. I personally like my other fake tattoo better, but I don't have another one, so this one we'll have to do. I want these though.
I mean, everybody can get their get one of the same thing. They just small.
I want the big ones though.
Nobody's gonna eat that whole thing. It's like a little bite.
We are at Walmart getting snacks for, a going away party. So, where is it? These. I'm not mad at these.
If you just took a shot, you need something to like.
Okay, come on, get it.
Who all agreed to this?
Everybody.
I'm getting these, so I don't know if somebody else want to get those.
I don't have my card.
Me neither.
What?
So nobody brought their card.
Do Walmart take Apple Pay?
Oh, look, this is assorted.
No, that's too many. Ain't nobody finna kill all them. What are we doing right now, Reagan?
Look at these.
What are we doing right now? Explain real quick what we're doing. Okay, whatever. We're getting
snacks from Walmart for me to go away party.
I'm just ready to get in the bowl. This is what I picked. I wanted the big ones, but they said no, so I gotta get the mini ones. It was crazy because you could have got whatever you want because she's getting whole like cupcakes. And they better not eat chocolate. Where we at, TT?
We at the liquor store.
Hmm?
Want to get your own shots or no?
What shots are you? What you mean? What shots are you getting?
Since you can only drink Sasha Brown. Sasha Brown.
Sasha Brown.
And we're not gonna have. Are we not gonna have cocktail and then I could just drink loco? Are you allowed to vlog in here? Or record in here?
Guess just wait till somebody say you can't.
We are here in this mug walking to her house. Oh my gosh! It felt like something bit me.
Round of applause, baby, make your way clap.
Vlog sneak.
The beautiful sisters.
Vlog sneak. Yeah, right there. We're getting the party started.
So cute, so cute.
We're getting the party started.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Oh my god.
What happened? Did you punch her? No. Why would you do that? It's still on. It's still on. That bitch goes to the Pastor Reposado. She making bad.
Don't see something like I won't see
It was a typo. Shay, Shay, Shay. Booty shake like a maraca. Everybody get 2 shots, I think. You know, summer just perfect. Perfect timing.
We about to have fun. You know summer just begun.
They gotta get ready. It takes 3 hours to get ready.
Hey vlog.
We can do Betty Betty shot clock. It's the first shot. Hey! Okay, I'm actually scared. Y'all, I usually drink brown, so are you a good shot taker?
Yes.
Or you be struggling?
No, I'm good.
Okay, I be struggling, so. Okay, y'all, we're on shot 2.
Wait, where's my chaser? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Reagan, are you taking a shot? No? You are?
Don't take them yet. We're gonna go get the loco. Don't take them yet.
I thought y'all was going to the store to get it. Y'all already had it?
Oh.
I'm 1 shot in, and I'm finna take another one, and I don't do clear, but I'm doing clear tonight. Y'all know I can't handle clear.
Everybody said maybe get mini.
You know that I heard it all before. You hesitate, you give me more. We got Jamiya on Ox, and she eating that ass up. Yes.
I am.
You done call my name.
Well, you said we playing. She pouring up shots for a loco.
I'm so scared.
She said we taking too long. She getting everybody right. Oh my god. For a loco, yeah.
I'm ready.
Biggest tolerances in the world.
Wait, what y'all doing? Y'all take shots by yourself?
But look at the river. So let's take those first.
Right.
Wait, is everybody? No, everybody.
Girl, I don't know how you swallow all that. Well,
You already took it. What? Whoa. Jimmy already took her. We thought y'all were going, so we went. I thought so. Okay. Did you listen?
that's disgusting. That's truly disgusting. It's giving video vixen.
No, that's actually gross. It's actually gross. I'm trying to lie to myself.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ew.
I feel like
This dirty acid they trying to force me to drink. How many? How many? This is 6. 6 what? Like all together with the other stuff, or 6 of loco?
Not 6 local.
Okay, I'm just kidding. It's actually 5. We haven't been to the pool yet. We're basically. Are you burping in my ear, bro? I don't know what you got going on. We're basically drunk, but we're waiting to go to the pool.
Wait, we is crazy. It's just like out of everybody here, it's just
You are too, though. That's the thing.
I am too. What are we talking about?
The pool is this way.
I guess.
Okay, we're walking to the pool right now.
A little nighttime.
We can't wait. Can't nobody see nothing. This
Make
is.
sure everybody stay together.
What if somebody get lost?
Gotta do roll call.
Somebody get kidnapped.
Yeah, it's a little bit scary.
This is giving scary documentary.
It is a little bit. Hopefully
Wait.
everybody stay together.
I'm so scared. Ooh.
Back by the show.
Y'all, this is giving scary documentary.
No, it's
Why are we walking?
young and free.
Fun, young,
It's
and
giving
free.
summer.
Why is Khalil playing that?
Sunglasses.
They're being so, bro. Khalil being scary playing this horror. There's horror music. I don't know why they're being so loud. The cops are gonna get caught on us. We're walking to the pool.
Almost there, y'all.
Oh my gosh, they're being so loud.
Watching me running.
They're being. Oh my gosh, they're gonna call the people.
You know the code to get in?
They're gonna call it. Why she playing scary music? We're going to get the cops called on us because we're being too loud, and it's like 12 at night.
Oh no.
We gotta go in here.
Khalil, bro, cut that ass off. Cut that off.
At least it's protected. Oh, look, it's open. That's so good.
Ooh. This is nice.
I mean, Love Island.
Love Island?
Wait, Taavi, I want to pull you for a chat.
Pull me for a chat. Ooh.
Come here.
Kalia, enough. Y'all, we're on Love Island right now, and this is the fire pit. We're gonna get in the pool. There's no one here. Everybody's so drunk.
Whatever Taavi's whispering to y'all is demonic.
What you gotta tell them?
I am top 1. I'm the bombshell of the week. The other hoes.
She's taking your man.
I
Yeah.
might take your man this week. Or your bitch.
Oh, what happened? Kalia's the bombshell.
Oh, really?
Kalia, stop with the music.
Leah's going home tonight.
Yeah, everybody's in the pool. How's the water? I cannot swim. Can you see me or no? How's the water? It's really warm. It's like a hot tub basically. Okay, I'm about to get in. Get in? Yes, get in. Okay. It's really nice. That's so cute. Hot tub at this point. This is it. Okay, bye-bye. So they're saying I peed in the pool because the pool is warm, but Ninja, I didn't pee in it, and I don't know what this running joke is. Amina, are you gonna get in the pool? No.
I never swim in public pools. I'm sorry. I just put my feet in. That's all I do.
Oh, she's too cute for that.
Yeah,
She's too cute for that. Oh my gosh, y'all. They taking selfies in this. They think they cute. They think they cute. Oh, come on.
Giving wet and sexy. Y'all check these out.
They're gonna get in trouble, bro. She's tripping, bro. Oh my god. No. And y'all, I'm just chilling, like, I'm just relaxing type ass, bro. She's being cute and sexy, like, bro, it's giving like, ooh, Leah. Oh, Leah, you gotta hold that back, bro. You can't be doing all that.
Okay, what about Taavi though?
No, I don't do it. Nah, I can't do that, bro. No.
Girl, you're not even wet.
Girl, I just got out the pool.
She needs to like if she needs comment if she needs to.
Yeah, no, don't do that. All right, y'all. With body tutti. I'm in the pool right now, and I'm by myself. Everybody want to pee in the pool and be nasty. No, I'm just kidding. What is this? Reagan, please stop! Stop, you're gonna get my camera wet.
No, I'm not.
Y'all, I got an effing bug in the pool. She's trying to put it towards me. Anyway, y'all, everybody is drunk and effing. They being, bro, freaky, bro. Reagan, you got something you want to say to the camera? Stop! Reagan, stop! Reagan, for real! Reagan, stop! Stop! Reagan, stop! Reagan! Okay, wait. I'm like 5 shots in and like 3 or 5 for a loco, so like I took like a lot of alcohol. But it's okay. Oh my gosh, stop bringing me! It's not even focused. Wait. Can you focus? Yes. Hey! What the freak? Wait, watching me get it though. Hey! Why she like getting that mug though? Wait, what's the bathroom? Hey! Reagan, what are you doing? Put that booty away. I'm gonna get banned off YouTube. No! Y'all, the little ones are being bad. The youngest ones in the crew. No! Somebody no! Oh my gosh. Throwing. Oh my gosh, no! Oh my gosh, I'm telling. Hey.
Not much.
Enjoying the pool?
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
There goes Reagan. It's pretty boring.
I said it's pretty warm.
Oh. Y'all, they acting crazy, bro. I don't want to bring my camera in the pool too much, but cause I don't want to drop it. But
It's giving a lot of drunks.
it's giving a lot of drunks.
A lot of drunkies.
Stop, bro. She said drunkies. Bro, Reagan. What's going on? What? I'm telling.
They climbing on.
They climbing on stuff, bro. I'm scared. What are you doing? Nothing. Look at your baby. Get your baby.
I'm recording.
Get your baby. What's going on? Get your baby. Get your baby.
Wait, what's going on over here? What's going on over here? What's going on over here?
We chilling, I guess. What's the gossip?
What's going on? What's the
She got these glasses on. I don't know.
What is y'all doing? Why is y'all both over here?
I don't know.
I really need somebody.